At SportsBoxBreaks.com, coming to you live on 3/18/2024. I'm doing a hit recap from our 2024 Top Series 1 Jumbo Baseball Mixer. Number 1, it was a mix of 3 2024 Series 1 Jumbos and 3 2023 Series 2 Jumbos. Let's look at what we pulled out of this 2023 Series 2. All right, numbered cards and things like that. Justin Verlander, blue. Cal Ripken, blue foil. Spencer Torkelson, 2023. Same with the Royals card. Jonathan India, walk-off in Wisconsin Brewers. Contreras, Future Stars. Crawford. Green foil, that is to 499 of Nick Allen. Orange foil, Jace Peterson to 299. Bo Bichette, black border, 299. Ruiz to 75 and Groshans to 50. All right, relics came out of there. Manny Machado, Jazz Chisholm, Ronald Acuna Jr., Mike Trout, Pedro, and Roger Clemens for the Blue Jays. We pulled a gold foil, Masataka Yoshida rookie. And the autos that came out of there, Elvis Andrus to 199. Michael Ciani. And Joey Meneses. Okay. Come back. All right, out of the 2024. See what we got here. Yep, here they all are. All right, a blue border, Buster Posey. 2023, Jose Soriano. Or 2024, that should be. To 2024, Nuke Bar and Kyle Schwarber. A gold, George Brett. That is to 50. A black border, Bobby Witt Jr. to 299. And a Daniel Vogelbach to 73. Relics. Nick Prado. Suzuki. Rizzo. How about Ronald Acuna again? Salvador Perez. And an Alex Bregman. Pretty cool. Autos, Abner Uribe on card, Jose Tina, and a Mickey Moniak. We also pulled out of a silver pack, Ellie De La Cruz, and we pulled a gold foil, Jason Dominguez. Alright guys, that'll do it. I'll ship this out in the next shipping batch out of PA. Everything else that has been broken, besides what broke today, is being shipped out tomorrow.